guys, Luma AI just dropped and it's unbelievable. This is a text to 3D model. You can even do environmental art. I'm gonna show you how to use the text to 3D. This is the interface. You can type anything you want and it'll make it. So I'm gonna use one of the examples here. Let's just do a snowman figurine. Now the reason why I really like this model is because it's insane how it's going to revolutionize the gaming world. I mean, think about it. All of the time spent creating these models in something like Adobe Illustrator or whatever it may be, it's going to be reduced to almost nothing, and that's what blows my mind. As you can see, we got our 4 results, and I think I kinda like this first one. It could definitely use some work. It's not as refined as the example they gave us, but I think that will be changed once we do the high res. So you can make variations of it by clicking the variations button, and I think maybe this is what will help us to get that refined snowman. I guess some of it looks good. This one actually looks worse because of missing an eye, but this one's missing kind of a mouth. This one's missing eyes completely, but I think this one actually looks pretty good. Just don't like his bottom part, but it's okay. So now we got some options here. We can change this to exporting in Cinema 4D, iOS, Roblox, but the most important thing that blows my mind is Unity and Unreal Engine. There's your proof. You can literally export this and use it in games, interact with these characters, and do whatever you need to do. Another thing that gave me a cool idea is you can do 3D printing. Then I guess you could, once the quality improves, you can make certain figures and sell it online, maybe on eBay, Amazon, whatever you're using in your country. So definitely a lot of potential with LumaLabs. If you press make high res, you're gonna get stuck on this screen, which I've been on the screen for the past 10 minutes now, and it's still busy. See, I made a medieval warrior sword from Greek mythology. So overall, I'm blown away by the software, and I think that we are in for a treat. Next up, I'm gonna show you just a preview of the interactive 3D scenes. So this is the landing page. After you click the button, you can see what's happening here, how you can literally view the entire landscape of whatever's been shown. Now, I'm not sure why this thing is starting to lose texture already. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and let's try zooming in this way. And yeah, you can literally see the entire city that this example is trying to show us. Now, I'm not sure why it's so low quality, but let's have a look down here and what else they got. So you can see this is a vase, and now it's generating everything around it. You're literally now inside of a room, which is crazy. And I'm not sure if my mouse, no, it's not my mouse, okay. And on this side you can see it generates a Yoda fountain with everything else around it. Very cool. So this is definitely, I can see this being used in 3D environmental artists workflows. As an environmental artist, I'm sure this is going to heavily speed up whatever you're doing if it can be imported into your software. Now look, I'm gonna be dead honest. I have no idea how to use this thing. If I press start now, it brings me here, tells me that it costs $1 per capture, and if I click on start now, it takes you to this screen. Now I'm trying to figure out the screen. I'm struggling. I created a test key which didn't seem to use up any of my credits, and if I click on this tutorial, it's telling me to create a capture. Where do you create this capture? I have no idea. If you click upload, it then tells you that you have to upload your files after creating the capture. I am not seeing any button to create a capture. I thought maybe that was the key. Turns out it's not. I think maybe if you click here, you'll explore this with me live, I guess. Explore CLI usage. What's this code? I don't know how to use this thing. But you guys seen how the text to 3D works, and for now, Luma AI is great for that. Until I can figure out this, I'll make a follow-up video.